Okay, another one. This time, we do have parentheses, so we're finally going to distribute. We're distributing the 3. Don't forget to distribute to the second term. A lot of us are putting 3x minus 1. It's going to be 3x minus 3 equals 15. And now it's just a regular old two-step equation. I need to get rid of this 3 by doing the opposite. So 3x is 18. I just want x, so get rid of this 3 by doing the opposite and dividing. So I think x equals 6. Let's check. I'm going to rewrite this equation, but instead of the x, I'm going to put a 6 in its place. When you have all the numbers, you don't need to distribute, right? I can just do 6 minus 1, which is 5. You distribute when you're not sure what one of those numbers is, when you have a variable. 3 times 5 is 15. Same number on both sides. I can write my answer in the box.